This is a review of the Ninja Professional 1000 watt blender that I would highly recommend. This blender, the first thing I want to start off by saying is that this blender, it has quite a few options right here. You can see that it is 1000 watt. The power button is very easy to use. You just plug it to the electric cord like you see right over there. It's plugged in. Then you see we have the power, the pulse, the low, medium, and high mode. This is pretty much the quality is really amazing, high quality. And right from here, you can see that you could have a press this release button right here, and you can have the handlebar as well too. What I like about the Ninja Professional 1000 watt blender is that it doesn't move anywhere. So if you're doing any cooking or blending some type of food, then this thing, it doesn't move anywhere at all. It's very durable and it doesn't slide. It has like some rubber underneath on the bottom, that way that the blender, it doesn't tilt or fall down, which you don't want that to happen. But anyway, you can see there's a handlebar right here where you could, it's pretty much like a handlebar where you could release this and then close it like that. And pretty much you can see here, it tells you the 64 ounces, the amount of cups and quantity you could put, the amount of stuff you could put inside of this container lid. And then right here, you can see we have the power button, the low button, the medium, high mode. So you can have in low mode, medium, high. It is, it pretty much, it chops whatever, pretty much anything you want, like pretty much like vegetables, pretty much every single thing that you could think of. And I would highly recommend this if you are looking for a upgraded blender or you want to upgrade from your existing one. Then the Ninja Professional 1000 watt blender will definitely not disappoint you. I absolutely love this, by far one of the best ones I got. And it is pretty much, it chops, the blades are really strong, it's very durable, it chops really hard whatever you're trying to pretty much blend inside the container. It really chops everything up. All your fruits and vegetables will chop very in within seconds. I would highly recommend this. You can see there's a handlebar right over here, and like I mentioned, there's that thing right there. We can release and close it, the handlebar. And most importantly, this thing doesn't slide anywhere when you're doing any cooking or anything like that. So that is one of the most important safety features that involves in a professional blender. I would highly recommend the Ninja Professional 1000 watt blender for your kitchen accessories.